Hey class, I want to talk to you about something that I know is going to be on your test coming up. It's a little thing called exponents, all right? You've probably seen them before. They look like this. It'll be like a letter with a little flying number next to it, or a number with a little flying number next to it. So these are called exponents, and what they are is it's like a way in math to write a bigger problem in a smaller space, all right? 4 to the 4th. Okay, that's how they say it. They say the big number's name, then they say whatever place value the little number has. So this would be 4 to the 4th. This would be x to the 3rd. Okay. When you go to do this problem, what this represents is 4 4s. Okay, so 4, 4, 4, and 4. I got 4 4s, and they're going to be times each other. Okay. Now, I almost guarantee somebody's going to get it wrong. Somebody out there is not going to listen careful, and they're going to try to multiply 4 times 4. That will not work. Okay, that's not what this means. This means 4 4s times each other. So take a look here. 4 times 4 is going to be 16, right? And so we have 16. We have times it by another 4. Right? 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 64. So I'm right here at 64. And I have times that by 4. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1, 25. So 256 is going to be my answer. That's way bigger than 4 times 4, all right? You cannot just multiply these numbers. Do not do that. Take your big number, times it by itself, the little number of times. This will make sense more here in just a minute. Let's do a couple more examples, okay? So what if we had 3 to the 5th? Okay, again, that's how you say that, 3 to the 5th. So that means we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. All right? So we got to figure that out. Now, we can kind of do some manipulation here to make it a little easier. I know that 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, that's not what I meant, right? So I can change it to this problem. I can say, well, that's 9 times 9 times 3. All right? So 9 times 9 I know is 81. If I take that times 3, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8, that's going to give me 24. So 3 to the 5th power is 243. All right? Now, notice that that is much bigger than 15, which is what you would get if you times it. Please do not fall into that trap. Do not times these numbers. That's not what this is about. Exponents are a small way to write a big problem. All right, you got 3 5s. They all get times together. Gives you a big number. You'll hear people say something like that. You'll hear people say something like, it's growing exponentially. And that's what they mean. It's getting really big really fast, because that's what happens with exponents, is the numbers get really big really fast. All right? One other part that you need to be aware of, we've done order of operations, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or some of you know it as PEMDAS. All right? Part of that is exponents, right? Please is parentheses. Excuse is exponents. And then my dear is multiplying, dividing. And then Aunt Sally is adding and subtracting. And you do these two in whatever order they come at, you know, while you're going through the problem left to right. So notice that exponents is in there. It's the second thing you have to do. So if you have a problem that's, you know, something like this, 40 plus 7 divided by 6 to the 2nd minus 4 plus 3. All right, so we got this going. Let's see, that's actually not going to work out too well. Let me change something up here real quick. Let's make that, just for the sake of making this an easier problem to do, an 8. And let's make this a 2 to the 3rd. All right, that'll work out better. So what do I got to do first? We got to do parentheses. 40 plus 8 is 48. Now I got to divide that by 2 to the 3rd minus 4 plus 3. All right, what's 2 to the 3rd? Well, 2 to the 3rd would be 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. times 2 more is 8. All right, so I'm going to change it up. Now I really hope when you looked at that at 2 to the third, you didn't say 6, because that would have been wrong. Okay, so this is 48 divided by 8 minus 4 plus 3. 48 divided by 8 is the next thing I got to do. That gives me 6 minus 4 plus 3. 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 3. My total answer there is going to be a 5. Okay? Going to be seeing some of these problems. Again, you're going to see them on the test. I got to get you used to them. I got to get you to recognize exponents when you see them. We're going to have some on today's homework. Good luck.